Guys, it's me, Alyssa, and today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that I got from Petco. So first I'm going to be starting with the little snacks or chew toys. So I just got one, and it is called Whimsy. It's a little crocodile, and these are supposed to be for dogs, but a lot of YouTubers have hamsters that eat these or chew on these, so I just got one. And it was like only for like 75 cents, so they're not that expensive. And yeah, I just got one because I don't know if Charlie's gonna like them, and if she doesn't, well, good thing I didn't buy a lot of them. So then I got Ecotrition Snack Shack Activity Log, and it's a 3-in-1 because it says it's for chewing, it's a treat, and it's a natural hideaway. So these are really good. I've heard these are really good, so I just got one, and it was only for like $6. And yeah, so it has honey, and so the hamsters can chew on it, and it's really good for them. And it's gonna look really cute on her little cage. So I just got this and the Whimsy. So that's all I got today because that's all the money I had. And I also got a Starbucks, but I drank it already. Anyways, thanks for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and have a nice day. Bye!